Welcome to the ClimateMaster Tranquility 22 digital unit, an industry-leading innovative product. The Tranquility 22 won the prestigious 2011 Dealer Design Award for its innovation to easily install and service. The Tranquility 22 joins ClimateMaster's award-winning indoor package unit lineup, which includes the Tranquility 27, the industry's first unit to surpass a 25 EER, and the Tranquility 20, a single-stage economical alternative to the 27. The Tranquility 22's efficiency puts it between these two systems, yet is priced lower than the Tranquility 20. Two new industry-changing technologies are built into the Tranquility 22: plug-and-play internal variable speed pump and three-way flush valves, and digital communicating controls. The Tranquility 22 is the first geothermal unit to bring those components into the unit, and is the first ever geothermal unit that is variable speed pumping. We're here talking about the ClimateMaster Tranquility 22 digital product line, and some of the features of this product line. Again, it comes in this appliance grade bond silver finish. It's a compact size. Again, making it very easy to get it in some retrofit area locations as well as tight locations. It's a very compact cabinet size. Some of the other features: we've got an Emerson ECM Ultratech motor. Again, it's communicating with our DXM control board down below here. We'll talk more about here later. Inside the blower compartment, we got foil-faced insulation, again, to make it easy to wipe out. Also, the condensate pan is a stainless steel condensate pan, so again, we don't have to worry about corrosion. The air coil is a tin-plated. Again, we're the only one in the industry that has that tin-plated air coil. Looking down below, again, our control box here. Again, to make it easy for installation as well as service, it is hinged. Again, you can see here, it's hinged. So when I do open this up, I can also remove this section. This is the low voltage section of the control box. They can be pulled off the hinge, laid down to make your wire connections, and then put right back into location. The other section of the control box here is where the high voltage connections are, such as your compressor contactor, where you're going to make your high voltage electrical connection. It is stationary in the corner here, the corner post inside. Again, tucked out of the way, making it easy to access any other component in here if service is needed. Some other options: you have our plug-and-play option with this particular unit. With that option, you get a variable speed loop pump installed internally in the unit. Also, you'll get full port three-way flush valves installed internally in the unit. As you can see right here, we've got our flush ports exposed here behind the front access panel, making it easy to connect your flushing hoses from your flush cart to. Again, with this plug-and-play option, you no longer need to install an external flow controller and all the labor that goes along with that. To make it easy to make connections here to the unit, you have our 1-inch swivel connectors. Again, making all our water connections are done with 1-inch swivel connectors, making it easy to connect to any of your water connections. Also, part of that plug-and-play option is an expansion tank internally installed here in the unit. So again, helping to prevent from having a flat loop, having to go back on a service call. It's going to help prevent that from happening. Some of the other features down in here is our compressor. We're utilizing the Copeland Ultratech Next Generation compressor. It is double isolated to the cabinet. Again, we got double isolation on that, again, to make this a very quiet unit. Also on the discharge line, there's a muffler right down here. Again, part of that quiet package here of this unit. Again, making it very easy to access components in here if service is needed. The TXV is right up here in the front. The filter dryer, again, down here, very easy to get to, accessible. And again, in a very small, compact cabinet, but yet very easily to gain access for service if it is needed. Now again, this unit can be utilized on different sources, such as, again, open loop, a boiler cooling tower application, as well as a closed loop. Again, we can operate anywhere from 20-degree entering water all the way up to 120-degree entering water temperature with this product. I'm going to talk about some of the features of the DXM2 control board and the communicating stat that goes along with that. The DXM2 control board, as you see here, is all one board. It replaces what we used to have, which was our CXM board and our hot water generator board. Now all that is controlled through one board. Our ECM motor plugs directly into this, as well as our thermistors for our hot water generator. It is now, again, it's a communicating board. From this board here up to the thermostat, only 4 wires. I will pull this thermostat off so you can see just the 4-wire connection here to the base plate of the stat. Again, it does not have to be a shielded cable. So again, make it easy for the installer. The standard thermostat wire does not need to be shielded. Go ahead and put this back on. Some of the other features, again, being that this is a communicating control, this also controls our variable speed pump. It can handle up to equivalent of what 2 Grundfos 2699 pumps would have handled when it comes to the loop design. Again, very beneficial to the installer. Only 1 pump now, internal in the unit. No external flow controller, as we've mentioned before. The ClimateMaster Tranquility 22 digital product line is Energy Star Tier 3 compliant, and also then with that allows you to be qualified for the 30% non-capped federal tax credit, and there are many state and utility incentives out there. The ClimateMaster Tranquility 22 digital series of product was conceived and designed and built for you, the installer, and the serviceman in mind, as well as the consumer, to hit a lower price point and still have all the features and benefits, and most of all, with affordable comfort.